Whether you're short on space, need to add privacy, or hide unsightly views, take advantage of your vertical space with flowering vines. Vines are available in a variety of forms, textures, and colors, and many provide an extended bloom time. Grow hardy vines in the ground with a trellis, fence, or arbor for support. And easy-to-grow annual vines can be enjoyed for the season in containers on the patio. Let's take a look at 10 flowering vines with a long season of bloom. The first and possibly most popular vine on this list is Clematis. This queen of flowering vines is available in a wide array of flower colors, shapes, and bloom times. There are some that bloom in spring, and with a quick trim will rebloom again midsummer, and there are other varieties that put on an extended show from midsummer to late summer. Plant multiple varieties with varying bloom times for an all-summer show. Number 2 is the Mandevilla. This heavy flowering vine adds a tropical flair to the patio or landscape. Grow Mandevilla in the ground or in a decorative container. Just be sure to install a support structure to grow up on. Give this vine full sun and regular fertilizer for all summer-long blooms. Mandevilla can be overwintered indoors in cold climates. Thunbergia, also known as the Black-Eyed Susan vine, is next on our list. This fast-growing, continuously flowering vine is easy to grow from seed, or commonly available at plant shops in flower shades of yellow, orange, pink, or white. This tender perennial is usually grown as an annual in colder zones. Place the vines in full sun with afternoon shade if possible, while providing a trellis to support the plant. This plant can easily grow upwards of 5 feet tall or higher in just one growing season, or allow it to cascade down a hanging basket. Whether you know it as a Spanish firecracker vine, love vine, or fire plant, number 4 on our list bears brilliant red blooms maturing to pale yellow, creating a gradient of color somewhat resembling a firecracker. Plus, this plant blooms freely from mid to late summer until frost, attracting pollinators such as bees and hummingbirds. Fertilize regularly for the best show of blooms. Number 5, the passion flower vine. It may look like it's from the tropics, but can actually be grown almost anywhere, including much colder areas. Bring the plant indoors to overwinter in any growing zone lower than 6. The fragrant, unusual, dramatic, almost spider-like flowers bloom all summer long and don't stop until the first frost. Grow this vine in the ground or in a container in full sun to light shade. For more information on some of the most popular varieties and species of passion flower, see the link in the description. The trumpet vine or trumpet creeper is a fast-growing perennial vine with tubular flowers ranging from yellow to orange to red, blooming throughout summer into fall. The flowers are also very attractive to hummingbirds. Many gardeners consider this plant invasive, but with adequate care and pruning, this vine can be kept under control. Be sure to site this one accordingly. Number 7, the Scarlet Runner Bean, is grown for its pretty red flowers that bloom all summer long, plus its attractive bean pods. This vigorous climbing vine can reach upwards of 20 feet within one growing season. The flowers are edible and a great addition to salads. The beans are also edible until they become fibrous. Unlike regular green beans, this is a perennial species, although it is usually treated as an annual. If you're looking for something a little different to grow, why not consider the snail vine? This attractive vine is hardy in USDA zones 9 to 11, but can be grown as an annual in colder regions or brought indoors for the winter. The lavender and white flowers resemble curly shells and will thrive in full sun and high humidity. This vine would also be a great addition to a hanging basket or container where it can dangle up to 15 feet if permitted. In the 9th spot is the hyacinth bean. This plant will add loads of color and interest to any garden from midsummer until fall, with its beautiful pinkish purple, sweet pea-like flowers and interesting glossy purple seed pods. This vine is a vigorous grower, making it a popular choice for those that need quick cover on an arbor or fence. Bougainvillea is last on our list, and while it offers a long summer bloom time, the typical pink, purple, or orange flowers are actually not flowers at all. They are leaf bracts that surround the actual tiny white flowers. It can be grown year-round in zones 9 through 11, but in colder zones, this plant can be grown on the patio, bringing it indoors over the winter months. Place these woody vines in a site that receives full sun. So, not only do vines come in a wide array of shapes, colors, and bloom times, they can be incorporated into nearly any garden style or size. For more information on vines and other flowering plants, visit gardeningknowhow.com. Also, please hit the subscribe button for more content from us, and be sure to sign up for our free weekly gardening newsletter with the link below. Well, thanks for watching and happy gardening!